the ripe red fruit. Once baby Hanuman was lying in his cradle under the tree. He saw the sun and thought that it was a delicious red and ripe fruit. He wanted to taste the fruit. He made a giant leap to catch the sun. The sun god suddenly saw a monkey coming towards him. Seeing that, he got scared and called for help. Indra heard him and went to the sun god. He was amused by the child's innocence, so he advised him to return to earth. But naughty Hanuman ignored his commands. Indra became angry and struck Hanuman with his violent thunderbolt Vajra. The thunderbolt hit the child, wounding his chin and causing him to fall down to earth. Vayu, the wind god, was terribly angry at this. He took Hanuman and went below the grounds of the earth. As Vayu left the earth, there was no air in the world. People, animals, and trees struggled to breathe and started to die. All the gods went to Vayu and begged him to return to earth. Lord Brahma cured Hanuman's wounds and gave him a boon that he would become immortal. Thus, Vayu returned to earth and everyone became happy. Hanuman is cursed. Hanuman was very naughty as a child. Time and again, there were complaints from the divine beings about Hanuman's mischievous behavior. But most of Hanuman's mischiefs were quite funny. He would tease and torment all the stuffy old gods and demigods. Like any other younger boy, he liked to roam through the forest. Hanuman would jump from tree to tree. He would grab elephants by their tusks and swing them over his head. Hanuman would lift entire mountains and toss them into the sky. In the forest, there lived some sages whose meditations were often disturbed by the noisy mischiefs of Hanuman. He would intentionally irritate them by dousing their sacrificial fires, eating the offered food, and tugging on the sages' beards. The sages were unable to tolerate Hanuman's mischiefs now, so they went to Lord Brahma and complained against Hanuman. To relieve the sages of their troubles, Brahma cursed Hanuman that he had infinite powers, but he would no longer remember that he had those abilities. He would remember his powers only when someone would remind him about them. After cursing the child, Lord Brahma disappeared from there, and Hanuman forgot all his divine powers. Rama and Sugriva. Hanuman increased the size of his body. He then asked Rama and Lakshman to sit on his shoulders. He took the brothers to meet Sugriva. When Hanuman reached Risyamukha mountain with Rama and Lakshman, all the monkeys gathered there to see the handsome princess. Hanuman introduced Rama and Lakshman to the entire army of monkeys. Sugriva embraced them and welcomed them to the forest. Hanuman began narrating Rama's problem and told that he had come to seek Sugriva's help. Hearing of Rama's plight, Sugriva showed him some gold ornaments that were tied in a piece of cloth. Rama recognized that those were Sita's ornaments. He asked Sugriva where he had found them. Sugriva replied that one day he heard a lady screaming Rama's name while the demon king Ravana was carrying her away on a flying chariot. On her way, she had thrown these ornaments down towards us. Rama became very emotional and started weeping on seeing his wife's ornaments. Unable to see Rama's grief, Sugriva, Hanuman, and all the monkeys consoled Rama. They promised that they all would help Rama to bring back Sita from Lanka. Rama became happy and felt relaxed after hearing their promise. Rama kills Bali. Rama heard about Sugriva's brother Bali, who was very powerful and had forcefully kept Sugriva's wife Ruma with him. Rama decided to help Sugriva by killing his brother Bali. Rama and Sugriva made a plan. Sugriva approached Bali for a fight and Rama hid behind a tree. However, just as the fight began, he saw two identical monkeys and was unable to differentiate between Bali and Sugriva. Rama held back his shot. Sugriva was badly beaten by Bali but somehow managed to escape. Then Rama and Sugriva made another plan. They decided that Sugriva would wear a garland to help Rama recognize him. Sugriva then invited Bali for the second time. As the fight began, Rama shot his arrow at Bali's chest, but he did not die. Rama then shot at his back and Bali fell down on the ground. In his final moments, Bali asked Rama why he had helped Sugriva when even Bali could have helped him to get back Sita. Rama told that by making Ruma his queen, Bali had committed a sin. After Rama had explained, Bali, with both palms joined in reverence, begged for forgiveness and said he was blessed to have been killed by the noble Rama.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.